Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Sixpad Vacuum Cleaner review. So you might be wondering, what is the Sixpad Vacuum Cleaner here? So the Sixpad Vacuum Cleaner is a cordless stick vacuum cleaner designed for everyday cleaning around the home, including floors, stairs, sofa, tables, curtains, and cars. Now, according to the official website here, it has around 45,000 PA suction and a 550 watt motor, a 1.5 liter dust container, and up to 55 minutes of runtime. Now, you could also view the specifications here in their website if you're curious about it. Now, in this case, they do have different modes here, or they do have like different uses. Now, the S80 here specifically use an X10 motor that spins at more than 125,000 RPM. It also has an infrared dust sensor and automatic speed control. And now in auto mode here, the vacuum detects the amount of dust, debris, and automatically adjusts its suction power. Now you can also switch to manual mode or adjust the suction yourself, so if you want to. Now, in this case, how do you exactly use the vacuum itself? Well, the vacuum itself works like any kind of vacuum you have. Now, the first thing that you need to know here is you need to charge the vacuum 4 hours before use, since again, the charging time is around 4 hours so that you could use it optimally. Now, you want to attach the appropriate cleaning head and surface for the surface that you're cleaning here. Then turn on the vacuum and select auto or manual mode. Now, the included attachments here are designed for different areas, while the long reach tube can be used for higher areas such as curtains. So, if you're curious about it. Now, for specific usage here, you can also visit the website here for it. As you can see right now, it showcases how specific scenarios this vacuum is being used. Now, when the 1.5 liter dust container needs emptying here, the website says you can use the one-touch dust ejection system to release the collected debris. Now, the filter is also washable and the vacuum can be stored and charged using its wall-mounted system. Now, the official website lists this vacuum here at around $179.99 as of this moment. But currently it was reduced from the original £359.99 here, as you can see here now, with free UK delivery on a first order and warranties included. So, in simpler terms here, the Sixpad vacuum is a cordless vacuum with strong suction, automatic dust detection, and multiple attachments, and up to like 55 minutes of stated runtime for the everyday household cleaning for a 4-hour charge. So yeah, if you're interested with this product here, doing your own research by checking product specifications and information on the Fish website and outside the website is highly recommended before purchasing here, just to make sure that you're getting the amount or you're getting the most out of your money. Now, if you want to order this, you can just visit their website, click on the buy now button here, and just proceed with the checkout page here. But yeah, so that's about it. Find this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.